My home, and one of the things I do or advise others to do is change the hexagram of their place. So this is the doorway, and inside the doorway is a hexagram, and you can put whatever intention you want on there. So I have a cross, I have a real $100 bill, and then behind it I've also got an I Ching, and that is a little bit more elaborate. But I'm going to change the energy for trust, knowingness, and intuition. So whoever walks underneath my front door will get charged these energies. Did something different. I just cut up a card that was her birthday card from her aunt, and it says "You're fabulous" on it, but it has a crown and it says courageous, kind, and strong. And so this one here has the power of the cat for her spirit animals, love from her aunt, so it's got high vibration on it, and I'm going to place it on top of her doorway for her hexagram. So on top of mine, I'm going to put abundant, community, and wisdom. So it's just going to go on the top of the doorway. Right? And then I'm going to go around and I'm going to tune each of them to set that energy.